So you're about to graduate. And when we first started, you did an interview and you was telling us how you felt. Tell us now, as far as how has the class been? You feel like you got something out of it, and did you have a decent instructor? You feel like, you know, he gave you what you needed?
Yeah, I feel like I actually learned something. I feel like he was actually sitting here and teaching us more about what we need to know and what we need to do about it, and like just learning like with each other, basically.
Hands on. So do you feel once you leave here, it's gonna be no problem for you trying to find you a job? You feel comfortable?
Yes, sir.
All gone, fam. You heard what he said.